YouTube, your gateway to success. Starting a YouTube channel in 2025 is easier than you think. YouTube offers incredible opportunities. It's a fantastic career choice. You have creative freedom, you can earn significant income. Forget the traditional job route. YouTube is where it's at. So, how do you make money on YouTube? First, you need 4,000 valid public watch hours. You also need 1,000 subscribers. Once you hit these targets, you can apply for monetization. This means you can earn through ads. You can also explore sponsorships. Brands will pay you to promote their products. But it's not just about the money. YouTube lets you share your passion, connect with people, build a community. Unlike other social media platforms, YouTube is stable, trends come and go. But good content on YouTube is evergreen, it stays relevant and keeps generating income. Choosing the right niche is crucial. Don't chase trends, focus on evergreen content. Think education, movie reviews or comedy. Hobbies and skills are great niches too. Cooking, drawing, anything goes. Finance, tech, news and politics are popular choices. Don't forget biography, religion, mysteries or pets. Once you've chosen your niche, decide on your content creation approach. Want to stay behind the scenes? Go faceless. It's perfect for beginners. Less pressure, easier to outsource. Want to build a personal brand? Put yourself out there. This builds loyalty and opens doors for collaborations. Or maybe a hybrid approach is for you, a mix of both worlds. Now let's talk content strategy. Keyword research is key. Use tools like VidIQ or TubeBuddy. Google Trends is your friend too. Craft catchy titles, make them clickable and SEO friendly. When scripting your videos, be clear. Use headings and bullet points. ChatGPT can help. Good production quality matters. Invest in a decent microphone. Find a quiet recording space. Use high-quality visuals. B-roll footage adds a professional touch. Don't forget copyright-free music. Pexels and Pixabay are great sources for this. Editing is crucial. Master basic techniques. Learn transitions, animations, and effects. CapCut and Adobe Premiere Pro are great editing tools. Your thumbnail is your video's first impression. Make it eye-catching and relevant to your content. Now, let's get your video seen. SEO is your best friend. Optimize your titles, descriptions and tags. Engage with your viewers. Respond to comments. Collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche. Consistency is key. Upload regularly to keep your audience engaged. As a YouTuber, you need to be aware of legal and ethical considerations. Copyright is important. Understand fair use policies. Don't use copyrighted material without permission. Adhere to YouTube's community guidelines. Avoid spam and harmful content. Looking ahead, AI will play a bigger role in content creation. From script writing to video editing, AI tools can make your life easier. Short-form video content is still king. Master the art of shorts to reach a wider audience. But remember, authenticity is key. Be yourself, connect with your audience on a personal level, build a community around your content. That's the secret to lasting success on YouTube.